In this video, I'll show you how to delete direct messages in Slack to keep your workspace clean and organized. First, open Slack on your desktop app or browser and log in using your email, Google or Apple account. Once logged in, select the workspace where the messages you want to delete are located. Next, navigate to the direct message conversation containing the messages you wish to remove. Click on it to open the chat. For each message you want to delete, look for the three dots ellipses next to the message. Click it and from the menu select Delete Message. Slack will ask for confirmation to prevent accidental deletion. Once you confirm, the message is permanently removed. Regularly managing and deleting messages helps keep your Slack workspace organized and clutter-free. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Slack tips.